Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Running Python on the Shell, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. The command line or shell is a powerful interface for interacting with your computer, and it can be a handy tool for running Python scripts quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore various ways to run Python scripts from the command line, covering both basic and advanced techniques. Checking Python installation. Before we start, ensure that Python is installed on your system. Open a shell and type. If Python is installed, you should see a version number. If not, visit python.org to download and install Python. Running Python interactively. The most basic way to use Python in the shell is by running it interactively. Simply type Python in the shell and press enter. You'll enter the Python interactive mode, where you can execute Python code line by line. To exit the interactive mode, type exit, or press ctrl+D. Running Python scripts. Save your Python code in a file with a .py extension, example myscript.py. To execute the script from the shell, use the following command. Shebang, #line. You can make your Python script executable directly from the shell by adding a shebang line at the top. This line informs the system which interpreter to use. Save the script and make it executable. Virtual environments. It's good practice to use virtual environments to manage dependencies. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Install dependencies and run your script inside the virtual environment. Command line arguments. Access command line arguments within your Python script using the sys module. Run the script with an argument. Python for dependency management. For more advanced projects, consider using Python for dependency management. Install Python. Create a Python environment. Run your script within the Python environment. Conclusion. Running Python on the shell offers flexibility and efficiency. Whether you're executing simple scripts or managing complex projects, understanding these techniques will enhance your command line Python experience. Feel free to explore additional resources and documentation for further insights into running Python scripts from the shell. Happy coding! ChatGPT